All right, 1999 Chevy Silverado, 5.3 liter engine. We're gonna be replacing the water pump on this, okay? All right, now first thing we wanna do, we're gonna take this hose, take this hose out, the radiator hose, radiator to the engine hose. Then we're gonna take this plastic cover out and this intake pipe. Get it out of the way, okay? Alright, I want to show you guys how that see the belt tensioner is totally destroyed. See? I mean, it literally fell apart. See? This is like the pulley itself. See, all melted and broken. And if you see, like, that's what it looks like. Okay, so we're gonna be replacing that tensioner and the water pump down there. So in order to get this plastic cover out of the way, we gotta take those retainers. You see those plastic clips? There is one there, one here. Same thing the other side. Then we'll take this bolt. You see that bolt right there? This one right here. One there, and this whole thing will come up. Now I'm gonna go ahead. You see, that's the thermostat housing right there. See, thermostat housing. I'm gonna loosen this clamp. Squeeze the clamp, pull it back, and then I'm gonna pull that hose out of the thermostat housing. And these two hoses right here. You see, these are the hoses for the heater core, for the heating and cooling system. Okay, so take those two clamps, take those hoses out, this one, and then this one, and that will be pretty much it, you know. So then you're gonna take these bolts, like these three 10mm bolts, 1, 2, 3, and then you got on this side, you should have same thing, 1, 2. So you got 1, 2, 3 back there, you see, the 10mm, and then on this side you got 1, 2, 3, and then your water pump will just slide out. Okay, so let's do that. Mira, Brian, dile que necesita llevarlo a un especialista en electricidad, que se encargue de pura electricidad. Que nosotros ya lo intentamos y no conseguimos nada. Si lo trae para acá, ¿para qué? ¿Te parece lógico? Para que no le hiera sus sentimientos. Alright, friends. Yes, I'm recording. Okay. Yeah, right now we got the 6 bolts out, right? You got the bolts out, and then you just. Alright, so this is the new part we're gonna be putting on. Brand new water pump. It comes the water pump assembly with the gaskets. See the gasket, and it also comes with the gasket for the thermostat housing. Okay, so we got thermostat housing gasket, and we got the gasket for the actual water pump. See, remember this, guys? We just cleaned back there. See, because they are gonna go like that. Okay, one here, one there. 3 holes for the 3 bolts. Remember the 3 bolts? Okay, and then because we're gonna be bring a brand new thermostat right here. So first I'm gonna install this, and then I'm gonna install the new thermostat with the gasket once I have it in the engine. Okay. All right, friends. Now I got I got the new water pump in position already. We got the bolts ready, torqued down, and now I'm gonna go ahead, install these 2 hoses for the heater core, and then install the thermostat with the thermostat housing. Alright, friends, and pretty much that's it, you see. Now we just need to add the coolant, you know, and then make sure, you know, the car doesn't have any air pockets in the system. Get them wrong, make sure you got heat inside, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it helped you somehow, and remember to subscribe to the channel, give us some likes. If you have any comments or questions about this car, this job we just